story and I'm doing surprise in a box. That's it. Cut. I'm gonna make a video. Are you still videotaping it? Hello? Stop, guys. Hello? Alright, Paul, it only takes like 10 minutes of video, okay?
Photo.
Surprise! Oh my gosh! Hi! Happy early birthday!
She's probably suffocating.
I've been in there for like half an hour. I missed you so much. I've been playing this Trip Over for so long. I'm just so excited. I was like counting down the days. I thought that confusing. I missed you.
I want to cry now.
Sorry, I'm probably like all sweaty and gross for being in there.
She's only been here 20 minutes. She's hot. Look how hot she is, Paul.
That's running out of air. Huh?
How do you get all that on here?
I don't know, Fran did that.
Oh god.
Surprise!
Oh god. I thought, no, I'll leave it till tomorrow, you understand?
That's what I said yesterday. I thought she was coming yesterday. I was in park like for an hour waiting for her, really paranoid.
Do you want to stop videoing this?
Oh, sure.
And I got the